In today's video, I will show you how you can make money online by using searching Google. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first thing you do is go to this website. It's called mindsumo.com. So this is a site that some of you might be saying, well, I got the site, I'm going to do it. If you're not going to do it the way I'm going to show you, listen up. This site does not work for many people. They are doing it wrong. This website is 100% legit. Keep in mind that this site is very easy to work with. All you have to do is Google it. As you can see, if you scroll down here, it says providing innovative idea to the world top brands. So basically the company, we have many who go to this website and ask because they want people like you and me who can share knowledge and ideas about any specific questions they may have to improve their company. But don't worry, we don't do the hard work and write these articles, and the answers will show you how to do is using Google so you can make big company faster. As you can see here, we see some of the biggest companies around the world. Now we just click here, I'm a problem solver, and then it will take you to this page. So if you want to read it, this is about the website. As you can see here, they have over 1 million now. They have members also from 6 continents, which means they accept people from all over the world. And not only this website is 100% free. Now just scroll down a bit and then click here where it say become a mind. So now I want you to pay attention here because there are some complicated questions. Don't worry, I will make the whole process very easy for you. Just follow what I do and click where I click. Just enter your first name here, enter your last name, and then type your location, your country, and your email address here, and then your password here. And you have placed it also pays in Pioneer and Bitcoin. Enter your date of birth here and then your gender. Choose from creativity skills. Choose medium skills and also choose medium technical skills. Here is why you are interested in using MindSumo. You can say something here, I like to write or something like that. And the next question says what kind of project you are interested in solving. You can hear something like writing and answering questions. Then repeat your name here and then your email, and finally check these last 3 boxes and also select the trick I am a not robot and just click register. So after you've done that, just log in to your account, and now it looks like this. Just scroll down here and these are the hot question and challenges you can take part in, and it pays you different amounts. For example, it pays $1,600. It's also $1,600 again, but these aren't final prices. Usually anywhere between $200 and $1,000 for an article, and it will explain in a little more time. You can see here how many days are left. So according to what you have to do, this is just copy and paste from Google. It can be easier, $1,000. These offers are always updated. The suggestions are available at the time I record this video, but you can also find more here in these different categories such as business products and insights and offer and other categories. Now that you are familiar with the website and now what is going on here, I will show you what you need to do to make money and also give you my strategy to get your answers and articles accepted on this website. For example, click on one of these challenges. Also, if you are still watching the video, tell me which country you are from and please like it. Now, this is the question that we have to answer, and if you just go down the page a little and you will find out that after submitting the article, the amount of $200 or $400 or $1,000 depends on your article, how much you get paid. All you have to do is get the article and then post it here. And now you're about to make your first $1,000. There's only one other site, which I'll show you later in the video, to getting your articles accepted here. And that's what people don't know, that's stopping them from getting their article accepted. So all you have to do is go back to the question here on the website and then copy it. Just go back to Google and paste the question into the search bar. Now click on search. The next thing is that you just want to click on one of these results from here. Or for example, let's just say this, so I just click on it. Quora, it's a platform to ask questions and connect with people who provide unique insights and quality answers. Often time you will find the answers on Quora. I will show you what to do when you find the answer on Quora and also what to do if you find the answer on another website. Now let's first compare these two questions to make sure they are the same. You can see yes, they are exactly the same. So what if you find the answer in Quora like? So what you need to do is combine about 4 or 5 of these Quora answers into a single article, because here they are short and your answer can't be too short to be accepted on this website. So all you have to do on Quora is copy and paste some answer somewhere like this, then just combine them and make sure it looks good and it should also make sense. If you like, you can add your own words and tricks. Let's say you didn't find the answers on Quora, so let's go back to the search bar and all you have to do is just copy a few of these searches. It shows the result right here in new tabs and something you have to spend more time on Google. Find the right article. Now just open each web page in a new tab and each of these pages. Let's browse and then select the page you want. In my case, this is more about your answer. I think this one looks really good, so I think this answer will be great. You think you found the right one, just copy everything. At this point, go to the website spinbot.com. Based on that, what this bot does is turns your article into a brand new article. Just paste your article here and then click on spin, and now as you can see the article, your unique is ready. Just click here to copy. So now one can claim that you don't write this article yourself, and this article is 100% original. As you can see here, it's also completely free before submitting the the article, make sure that they look natural too. Try adding some words and tricks yourself to make them 100% unique and original articles. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.